In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Copilot account. Let's get started. First, I go up to the address bar at the top of my web browser. I type in copilot.microsoft.com and press enter. This takes me directly to the official Microsoft Copilot page. I will wait a moment for the interface to load up completely. Once it loads, I click right into the main chat box area. Doing this brings up a green screen that gives me the options to sign in. I see three distinct login buttons here: Sign in with Microsoft, Sign in with Apple, and Sign in with Google. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and click on the Sign in with Google button at the bottom of the list. A new screen pops up prompting me to choose an account. I don't want to use the one currently listed, so I move my cursor down and click on Use another account. This brings me to a fresh Google login screen. I click inside the email field and type in my preferred email address. After carefully typing it all out, I make sure it's correct and click the blue Next button. Now I am prompted to enter my password. I click into the password input field and type it in. Oh, it looks like I made a typo here on my first attempt. Let me clear that out, type it in again carefully, and then I will click Next once more to proceed. A quick security pop-up appears on the right side of the screen asking if I want to switch to an existing Chrome profile. I don't need to do that for this setup, so I'll go ahead and click the Cancel button. After that, a window appears asking to allow Microsoft Copilot to access certain account information, such as my name, profile picture, and email address. Everything looks standard, so I click the Continue button at the bottom right. The screen updates and now asks me to add a few more personal details to my account for age-appropriate settings. First, I click the drop-down for month, scroll down, and select October. Next, I click the day drop-down, scroll through the numbers, and click on 23. Finally, I open the year drop-down, scroll down through the list of years, and choose 2002. Below the birth date, I click on the country or region drop-down. A long list of countries appears, so I scroll down past the initial options until I find the Philippines, and I click on it. With all my details successfully filled out, I click the black Continue button at the bottom. The page redirects and I am brought right back to the main chat interface. A greeting appears at the top that says, "Hey Elias, what's on your mind today?" This means my account is successfully created and active. To double-check my settings, I move my cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile icon. A side menu opens up showing my name and email. I click on the Settings option from this menu. A pop-up panel appears displaying my account details, including my name. Everything looks perfect, so I click the X in the top right corner to close the settings panel. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.